Flight Lieutenant Sandeep Jain, a dedicated and disciplined officer of the Indian Air Force, was martyred on August 26, 1996. He had been serving in a helicopter unit since December 19, 1994. In August 1996, during Operation Meghdoot, he was tasked with leading air maintenance missions in the southern glacier area, where enemy forces had established new positions threatening Indian Army posts. Despite being fully aware of the risks, Flight Lieutenant Jain successfully completed 2 missions under enemy interference. Tragically, during a third mission on August 26, 1996, his helicopter came under attack, resulting in his martyrdom. In recognition of his bravery and ultimate sacrifice, he was posthumously awarded the Shaurya Chakra, India's highest gallantry award. On August 26, 1303, Rani Padmini, along with 16,000 Kshatriya women and children, committed self-immolation to avoid capture by Alauddin Khilji, the second ruler of the Khilji dynasty. Khilji had attacked Chittorgarh on January 29, 1303, intending to subdue the Rajput rulers. While some historians suggest that Khilji's motive was to capture Rani Padmini, this remains a debated issue. Chittorgarh's fort was difficult to breach, so Khilji's forces laid siege for months, gradually depleting the fort's supply. To protect his people, King Ratan Singh eventually declared war, leading to a fierce battle in which he was killed. Following his death, Rani Padmini and others performed Johar, which is considered the largest in the history. On August 26, 1914, during India's fight for independence, revolutionaries in Kolkata carried out a significant raid to seize weapons. This bold act was a part of their efforts to gather arms for an armed struggle against British rule. The impact of this raid was later evident in the key events like Kakori train action and the Gadar movement. The revolutionaries targeted a large British weapons depot in Kolkata's Bara Bazar area, successfully looting a substantial amount of arms and ammunition. The operation, led by prominent Bengali revolutionaries, including Shirish Chandra Mitra, resulted in the acquisition of 50 Mauser guns and 46,000 rounds of ammunition, which were then distributed among the freedom fighters.
शिक्षा देश का गौरव है और आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी शिक्षा का उद्यम है। आरकेडीएफ में सवारे अपना भविष्य। पीएचडी एमफिल करें अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज। आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी। शिक्षा देश का गौरव है और आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी शिक्षा का उद्यम है। आरकेडीएफ में सवारे अपना भविष्य। पीएचडी एमफिल करें अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज। आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी। शिक्षा देश का गौरव है और आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी शिक्षा का उद्यम है। आरकेडीएफ में सवारे अपना भविष्य। पीएचडी एमफिल करें अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज। आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी।
Mother Teresa, born on August 26, 1910 in Macedonia, was a renowned Catholic nun who received the Nobel Peace Prize in 1979. She moved to India in 1929 and established the Missionaries of Charity in Calcutta in 1950. While she is widely regarded as a symbol of humanity, some critics argue that her work in India was motivated by a desire to spread Christianity. Allegations have also been made against her organization, accusing it of child trafficking and forced conversion. Additionally, Mother Teresa supported the emergency imposed by the Indira Gandhi's government, stating that it brought more employment and reduced the strikes. On August 26, 1883, the eruption of Krakatoa volcano in Indonesia resulted in the deaths of 36,000 people. Krakatoa, located on a small island between Sumatra and Java, was an active volcano that produced one of the most powerful explosions in the recorded history. The explosion was so intense that it was heard up to 4,800 kilometers away. The eruption triggered a massive tsunami with waves reaching 120 feet high, devastating coastal villages and cities. Of the total fatalities, 31,000 were caused by the tsunami, while 4,500 people died from the volcanic lava. The eruption also sent an ash cloud 80 kilometers into the sky, spreading fine dust around the globe and causing a global temperature drop by several degrees. The Battle of Tannenberg, fought from August 26 to 30 in 1914 during the World War I, took place near the Allenstein in East Prussia, now part of Poland. The battle saw the German forces, led by Field Marshal Paul Hindenburg, decisively defeat the Russian army, resulting in the death of the Russian commander, General Alexander Samsonov. Following this defeat, Russia retreated from Prussia. The Battle of Tannenberg, also known as the Battle of Prussia, marked a significant German victory early in the war.
In a world overflowing with information where news travels faster than light, it's time to redefine the way we consume news and entertainment. Stay ahead with the latest from around the globe, from the pages of history to the top interviews, blogs to podcasts. Find all exclusive stories in one place, the Rhythm app. Uncover a world of entertainment with exclusive web series, captivating short reels and live moments through trending videos. For the sports enthusiast and tech savvy, we've got you covered with top reviews from the business. Get ready for the ultimate experience. Download now Rhythm app, where every story matters.